Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. Currently, I'm at work but we are about to test the duct tape antenna. So, it's weekend here right now. So, the antenna is here. Okay. We're just using a tripod. Okay. Antenna. The pigtail. Okay, so we're going inside and we let this antenna outside. Okay, so let's go inside. So the antenna is connected using the Baofeng UV82. So let's try to hit the DX2 clan or the Cordillera League of Amateur Network. So DX2 CLN. So let's try if we can hit the VHF 2-meter repeater of the club. So let's try. Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima testing. So fortunately, we hit the RPT. So let's try to make a contact. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima on portable. Any station? Do you copy? Over. So again, fellow hams, mga karadyo, let's try to make a contact using our duct tape antenna. So we are using the Baofeng UV82. So let's try to make a contact via the 2-meter band repeater of the DX2 clan. So let's try. Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima on board DX2 clan. Is there any station po na naka-monitor for antenna testing? So the RPT is approximately 120 kilometers away from here. The antenna is located at Baguio. So antenna is, they are using if not mistaken, is a barrel loop antenna, but the elevation is at high, I mean on higher grounds. So again, let's try. DW3 Victor Tango Lima for antenna testing. Any station on monitor?
DY2 Mike Whiskey Golf para samantala pumulot.
Yeah, KSL, DY2 Mike Whiskey Golf. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. I'm testing the duct tape antenna. How do you read via the DX2 clan? Over.
Ayun, yung bungal mo dito is my humming. Itong huling bodo is kilo naman yung audio.
Yeah, KSL on that, DY2 Mike Whiskey Golf. Ito, I'm transmitting on low power using a Baofeng radio. Over.
Okay na dito. Yun na lang, may konti na humming. Pero alatable naman. Over.
Yeah, KSL, likewise, you're hitting the repeater 5x9 loud and clear in my location. Dito po ako sa Victoria Tarlac. Nasa loob po ako ng office, pero yung antenna is nasa labas. Go ahead, DY2 Mike Whiskey Golf, DW3 Victor Tango Lima.
Saan ba yung national station? Ayun, ano pala brother, yung handle mo?
Yeah, for my name po is Alexel, Alpha Lima Echo X-Ray Echo Lima. Alexel, ano na lang po, Eseng na lang, ka-Eseng, mas kilala po ako ron. Kahit po sa vlog ko is yun yung ginagamit ko. Eseng po, Eseng ng Victoria Tarlac. Over.
Yes sir, brother, ayun, i-acknowledge ko lang yung station. Ito lang brother, naka-monitor at narinig labit na. Ayun, ganda nga po.
Yeah, KSL, likewise, thank you po sa modulation and for the QSA report. DY2 Mike Whiskey Golf. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. 7-3 mabuhay. Okay, we've made contact with DY2 Mike Whiskey Golf. Don't know if he is in Baguio also or in somewhere in DU2 or in District 2. Maybe La Union or Pangasinan. So we don't know. Okay, let's try to ask him again. DY2 Mike Whiskey Golf, location po ninyo as of now, over.
PTS, brother. Baguio City, Bacacay Central. Ano ko, halos kabarangay ko siya, no? Si Kajun. Si DY2 Juliet. Zulu Yankee, over.
KSL, ayun. Baguio City rin po pala. So, ayun. Salamat po at have a nice day ahead. 73 mabuhay. DY2 Mike Whiskey Golf. DW3 Victor Tango 5. Via DX Suklan.
Kuya Mesel, Dalekar Station. Over.